Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have some magic mail. Okay, so I'm very excited to show you these packages today. I have 2 pins and a package, and the package is from my friend. It's heavy, I have no idea what's in here. So let's start with the pins. So the first pin was a park pickup from my friend Frances over at Dream Finding with Frances. It's a super cute Mickey sticker. Can never go wrong with Mickey. And the pin, which has 2 backs, it's pretty heavy, is, oh, that's right! So it's a hinge pin, it's a trick or treat pin. Yeah, I forgot about this, this is awesome. So it wasn't a park pickup, I'm a liar. She has done a park pickup for me, but this must have been out of her personal collection. And on the front you can see Lucifer, and you can see Anastasia's sash coming through the little cubby in the wall. And then you open it up and it says Trick or Treat 2018, and it has Lady Tremaine. Oh, and on the left it has the birds and the little sewing mice. How cute is that? But you know, most importantly, it has Lucifer. So I needed that for my collection. Yeah. Yeah, I'd forgotten completely that that's what that was. So that's great. And this next pin is from my friend Rachel at Attainable Disney. I will link her Instagram and her YouTube channel down below. Now, she designed her own pin. This is a custom fantasy pin. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? I do a little Mickey fell out. She is likewise an Evil Queen and Poison Apple enthusiast. And she has taken offense to how whenever you see the Poison Apple motif around, it's like green with red, and that's not how it is in the movie, is it? No. If you look at it in the movie, it's black with kind of teal oozing over it. So she wanted a pin that accurately reflected what they have in the movie. And look at this beauty. Look how glittery that is. That is gorgeous. Consider me obsessed. Oh my gosh, look how cool the back is. So yes, again, she designed this. Beautiful, right? I believe they're still for sale. They were $10, but I'll double check that for you. Just fits. Found a tiny little space for it. I think I've officially graduated to larger pin boards. Okay, so yes, that beautiful Poison Apple pin was designed by Rachel over at Attainable Disney. I'll link all the information down below if you want to order one. It'll all be down there. And all right, last but not least, we have this package from my friend Erin at Terrific Theme Park Shopper. She is a personal park shopper. I will link her Instagram and her Facebook down below. If you need anything in the park, check with her because she's awesome. I did not ask her to get this for me. I don't know what this is. I don't know why she sent me a present other than she's awesome. She's an amazing friend. If you saw my video, my trip to the Top of the World Lounge to the Villains lair, that's who I went with. It was my friend Erin and her husband Johnny, and I love them. They are awesome. I'm like nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Just a couple of fun little villainous items. I hope that you can enjoy them, and we can't wait to hang out with you again soon. Love, Erin and Johnny. Can't wait to hang out with you guys again soon. Let's make that happen sooner rather than later. Alright, so, you can tell she like ships things professionally, because look at this. This is packed to the max. Alright, let's see what we got here. So, it is the evil queen in the magic mirror. Okay, the ring light's gonna mess with that. Look. Oh my gosh. How amazing is that? So it's a photo frame. But why would I want anything else in it? I kind of just like it with the evil queen. And the jewels around it. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. This is definitely going in my new office. Thank you. And I'm such a weirdo. I'm not putting a picture in here. I'm just leaving her in there. Again, no idea what these things are. Just sweet, delightful surprises. It's heavy. I've never seen this before. I didn't even know this existed. This is amazing. So, it is a snow globe. It is Ursula and Flotsam and Jetsam. Look, how cool is that? You have Ursula, looking so pleased with herself, as she always does. Flotsam and Jetsam. It says poor unfortunate souls. On the back, look. All those merfolk with no one else to turn to. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh, Erin, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Definitely going in my office when we get that redone. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I don't even know where you found this. Like I always have my eyes peeled for villain things when we're down at Disney, and I have never seen this. This is awesome. Look, there's a trident on the back. So beautiful. So sweet. Thank you so much, Erin. That was so kind and thoughtful, and just, I don't even have the words. So that's it. My little short and sweet magic mail video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.